Gervin's Gardeners is kind of a lunch recess club that I started a couple years ago, just hopefully to get students excited about gardening and just giving them an opportunity to get their hands dirty. Hi, I'm Anita Gervin and I teach 5th grade here at Salisbury Elementary School. They definitely come to me every single Wednesday, no matter if it's a gardening day or not, and they ask if we're going to meet today because they're just so excited. The front, where specifically in the front? I try to come up with different activities that get them excited, and so that kind of really shows me that they're enjoying their time with me, that they're enjoying what they're learning. And I hope it is learning for them too, because we recognize that not all learning is academic with reading and writing and math and that kind of thing. So giving them this opportunity to participate in a gardening club is just a different kind of learning. Everybody's really excited and a little nervous, okay? Me too. Ready? The very first year that I started with the 5th graders. And then because I would have had the 6th graders last year, some of them asked, hey, can we join? Can we come? So then it kind of became a 5th and 6th grade club. And so we did it every single Wednesday. Now we meet twice a month, the first Wednesday of the month and the third Wednesday of the month. And we do different gardening activities. We have guest speakers that come. Sometimes we do a little service project. On a normal day, all the 5th and 6th graders will go get their lunch and we'll just sit and have lunch together. And that's a good time where we can ask, how's your week going? What's going on? Can I support you in any way? Sometimes I'll do a little lesson at that time and let them know what our craft or our activity is going to be. So when you propagate, you're actually making new plants. And then we clean up lunch and we get our hands dirty and we do a planting activity. You saw the planters in the hallway. We made those planters. They were so excited about that. They're just milk jugs that I cut the bottom off, turned them upside down, and they made them into faces. Today is really cool because we also have a connection with Ease the Burden. It's a program, I think, in Lancaster County that helps to support classrooms with funds that wouldn't be supported by academics. And so last year I actually reached out to the STEM teacher at the middle school and said, hey, would you be able to make these planters for Gervin's Gardeners that we could plant? And he said, well, let me work on it. And so he got back to me this fall and said that they were able to build them through funds from Ease the Burden. So that started in the middle school. We started propagating our succulents probably at Christmas time. And we're going to be planting those planters today. They're big wooden planters that will fill with soil. I brought moss from our family cabin. Spread out among all like your 30 circles, okay? That we'll put in holes along the sides of the planter so that the succulents will kind of stick and root in there. Yeah, they're going to plant those planters that were made by the middle schoolers. So it's pretty cool. And some of those middle schoolers were Gervin's Gardeners, so that's pretty cool too. It's fun to show the kids that their impact isn't just here, that it can go out into the community and it can go out to other people and just give them a little ray of sunshine and a little smile.
Be careful.